Today, we'll be making floral scrunchies. Grab any leftover floral fabric. Stitch along this line. Then fold the top and bottom parts to the middle. Fold again like this, and then fold the bottom to the top. Stitch along this line. Remember to pull the inside as you go, to stitch all the way to the end. Leave a small gap open at the end. Then pull this out, right side up. Grab a piece of elastic measuring 7 inches. Drag this through to the end. Stitch at the end to secure. And you're done. I made another scrunchie with this colorful pattern. For this, grab 2 colors of thread. Stitch any pattern using your sewing machine. Do this all around the scrunchie. And you're done. This is so simple. And that's not it. I made so many different styles of floral scrunchies using this technique. I hope you liked this idea. Follow my channel for more scrunchie related content and easy ideas.